Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Apple Watch Ultra to an iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for optimal compatibility. Next, charge your Apple Watch Ultra to at least 50% before starting the pairing process. Finally, keep both devices in close proximity, ideally within a few inches, to establish a strong initial connection. This sets the stage for a smooth and quick setup. To begin pairing, power on your Apple Watch Ultra. Then, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. You'll see an option to Pair New Watch. Tap this to proceed. Your watch will display a unique animated pattern. Use your iPhone's camera to scan this pattern, which automatically initiates the pairing. If the camera doesn't work, you can choose to pair manually using a 6-digit code. After pairing, you'll select your preferred wrist and agree to the terms and conditions. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to enable seamless synchronization of your apps, contacts, and health data. You can then customize various settings, including text size, setting a secure passcode, and configuring activity tracking goals. The final step involves waiting for all your data to sync, which typically takes between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on your data volume. Once connected, dive into the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to explore extensive customization options for watch faces, notifications, and app layouts. Familiarize yourself with key features such as cellular setup, if applicable, and the crucial emergency SOS function. Remember to regularly update both your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features. Enjoy the full potential of your new, connected device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.